No worries over nickels and dimes or a 9 to 5 grind. I gotta get loose sometimes.
Hello everybody, it's Timothy Headview. How are you all? Welcome to Corepast. As you know, hopefully my name is Paul. Hope you're all doing well. If you've got any injuries or ailments whilst you're doing this, just make sure you just modify your class. Obviously I'm not there to help you, but you know the thought. If anything you can't do, try and do it differently. I will show you different modifications of the exercise as we go along. So, excuse me, we're going to do a little warm-up. After the warm-up, we're actually going to do 6 exercises. 30 seconds on, then you're going to rest, then you do an exercise again, then you do another exercise, then another 30 seconds rest. Now this is the critical thing. In the rest period, you've got 3 choices, and I'll do each one differently. Okay, sometimes you can rest, sometimes you can stretch, or if you want to challenge yourself, in the rest, you can hold a plank. Okay, so there you go, we're going to work out, and then when you hear him say rest, you have 3 choices. You either rest as he says, you stretch, or you hold a plank. Okay guys, shall we do this? Are you all ready? Remember, nice and strong, engage your core, breathing into your nose and out through your mouth. Let's go with it. March non-stop, breathing and relaxing. We're warming up. Breathe and relax. 3, 2, little side bends. Breathe and relax. Keep upright. Keep the knees soft. Nice strong core. Breathing into your nose and out through your mouth. 3, 2, 1. Give me a lunge. Twist. Give me a lunge and twist. Breathe and relax. Nice and strong. When we lunge, keep nice and streamlined and make sure you're nice and relaxed. Keep working. You're tight, take a rest. 3, 2, 1. That's it. As you lift, keep your elbow in. The more control, the harder it is. Okay? Driving that knee out to the elbow. Breathe out and in. We're not going to go very low. We're going to need to warm up. So what we're doing here is we're mobilizing the joints and preparing the body ready for the onslaught. 30 minutes virtually. 3, 2, 1. Do a little twist. Breathe in. And relaxing through. Nice and light. Remember when we land, we don't count. And then we work on muscles or our joints, we get them down. So we work on slight bend in all of our joints. Good work. If you're getting tired, take the level back. 3, 2, it was 20 dollars. Good work. Again, if you don't want to do that, just go lunge back. Just prep that body ready to work out. If you need a rest, take one. I've got the water there. If I'm thirsty, I'm certainly going to drink as often as I can. Good. 3, 2, side to side. Breathe and relax. Just prepping up the body, working. Ready to go. So we've got 6 exercises. As you can see, I've got some weights on the floor. If you haven't got weights, you don't have to use them. You can do it without. You use the weights on some of the exercises, it makes it more. 3, 2. This is hip rotation. So we're mobilizing the joints, especially this area here. some forward bends. We're nearly done, but we're going to crack on straight to the next exercise, okay? Okay, boys and girls, exercise number 1. Ready? Level 1, one leg at a time. Level 2, both legs, but rest. Level 3, both legs. Let's go. Breathing out and in. Easier, one at a time. Head back, nice and relaxed. Control the sit up all the way up. Level 2, good rest in between. Level 3, no rest. Breathing out and in. Up to 45 degrees only. Breathe. Level 1, 2. Okay, so you can leave them out. I'm going to rest. Okay, so you're resting. While I'm resting, I'm going to show you the next exercise. So if you don't want to rest, you can either hold a plank or you can stretch. Next exercise, watch. Right knee to one knee over, left knee to one elbow over. One. Then that's exercise number 2. Back to exercise number 1. Level 1, 45 degrees sit up. Level 2, underneath the legs and right over the head. Level 3, don't rest. Breathe out and in. Control all the way up. Control all the way down. Breathe. In 4, 3, look down on your line, elbow, 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 elbow. Same elbow, opposite elbow. Breathe and relax. Breathe. Try to keep your foot down. Boom, boom, boom. So this is exercise number 2. Breathe and relax. So relax or stretch. So we're going to do exercise number 1 again, followed by exercise number 2. While you're doing that, I'm going to show you exercise number 3. Level 1, 1 foot on the floor. Level 2, keep lifting. Level 3, no feet. Okay? Back to exercise number 1. Breathe out. Level 1. Head back. Gap between the two chests. Level 2. You come up on each side. You rest. Rest. Level 3. No rest. No rest. Breathe and work. Get ready for number 2. Now, press that position. Right elbow, left elbow, right. Breathe and work. If you can't do that, you can always do this one. Standing up, okay? You can do it standing up. Do it standing. Breathe and work. and then we've got a new exercise. Exercise number 3. Okay? Sitting back, one leg off the floor, easier in both legs. On. Exercise 1 is out and in, easier. Stroke through all the way up, stroke all the way down. Corner, over your head, over your legs, the rest in between. Level 3, no rest. 45 degrees scissor. Knees together, out and in. Get ready for exercise number 2. Ready? Over we go. Hands to the elbow, opposite elbow, elbow, opposite elbow. Breathe. Okay? If you want to do this more standing up, you do that. Okay? You're going to stand up, easier. Opposite. Say, get ready for exercise number 3. Are we ready? Exercise 3. Sitting back. Level 4. One leg. Stay on the floor. Level 2. Little faster. Level 3. Both legs. Stay on the floor. Lean back. Back to the chin in your chest. You can take a breather. Breathe. Come on. Come on. Breathe. Take a 30-second rest. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. So, either hold plank, rest, or like me, have a stretch. Back to exercise number 1. Then to number 2. Then to number 3. Exercise number 4. Plank. Leg. Touch over. Exercise 1. Are we ready? In 4. With or without legs. Level 1. out, and in. Keep those knees together. We ready? Over we go. Flat position. Go. Left, right. Strong, strong. Breathe and work. Elbow off the elbow. Thumbs down. Breathe. Remember, stand if you want. Get ready to exercise for 3. Breathe and work. Are we ready? Exercise 3 in 4, 3, 2, 1. Under and over. Without the weight of the block. Under and over. Without the weight of the block. Okay? Hold it. Get ready for number 4. Back. Put the weight down and block. Under. Over. Ready? In 4, 3, 2, 1. Touch. Breathe and work. Breathe and work. Relax. Control. Breathe and work. Breathe and work. Get ready for number 5. Russian twist. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level 4. Pretty much good. You don't have to use the weight. Level 2. One leg at a time. Level 3. Both legs. Level 4. Wiggle that way. Or crossover. Up to you. In, out. Feet on the floor. With or without weight. Breathe. Ready? In 4, 3, 2, 1. One more exercise. I'm going to have a rest on this one. You can hold the plank. You can stretch. You can drink. So, exercise number 6. Either on your hip, on your hand. Halfway, you switch sides. Side to side. In 4, 3. Let's do this. Level 1. One leg at a time. Level 2. Both legs, but you rest. Level 3. No rest. You want to make it harder? You use your weights. Level 1. Level 2. Up, but rest. Level 3. No rest. Ready? In 4, 3, 2, 1. Level 1 here. Over. Level 2 on your hands. Up and over. Same opposite. Get ready for number 3. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Underneath the legs. Don't confuse weight. Sit back. With the weight. Hold. Both legs. Under and over. Breathe. Hold out weight. Sit back. We're going to get ready for the next exercise. Coach plank. You ready? Breathe and relax. Breathe So now, every time we start on number 6. So the first exercise is your side plank. Okay? If you want to stay facing that way for the whole 30 seconds, do so. And then next time, you can face the other, or you can switch it halfway. Cheers. Side plank. You can have the weights as well. Watch. Are we ready?
Your workout continues in 4, 3, 2, 1.
Level 1, my hips on the floor. Level 2, off the floor. Level 3, on my hand. And also, we can have your leg and your arm in the air. You breathe and you relax. Same again on the other side. Level 1, or you can stay that side. 2. Level 3, 30 second rest. Level 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, rest, stretch, or hold your plank. Remember, hold your plank. Guys, legs. Okay, level 1, exercise number 1, followed by the Russian twists. If you did it that way for the 30 seconds, start this side. Guys!
Exercise 6 in 4, 3, 2.
Let's go. Hold it here. Level 2. In the air. Or you can do it harder. Remember, if you did it on this side for 30 seconds last time, go the other way. Breathe and relax. Then switch. Other way. Hold it. Level 2. Level 3, level 4.
Exercise 5 in 4, 3, 2.
Let's go. Russian twists. Russian twist. Harder. Easier. Easier. You do not have to have weights. Or with the weights. Breathe and work. Okay, so we're going back to the side plank. You stay one side, then it's Russian twist, then it's the crossover plank. Okay, are we ready?
Exercise 6 in 4, 3, 2.
You decide how hard you want to make it, guys. You decide how hard you want to make it. Remember to breathe. Remember to relax. Breathe. Relax.
Halfway there.
Stay the same way if you want, or quickly switch. Breathe and relax. Russian twists and X.
Exercise 5 in 4, 3, 2.
Order. Or cross. Or one. Or both. Lean back. No weight. Or both legs. Plank is next. Ready? Breathe and relax. You're tired? Get your feet down. Ready?
Exercise 4 in 4, 3, 2.
Crossover. Crossover. Breathe and relax. Breathe and relax. Breathe and relax.
Take a 30-second rest in 4, 3, 2, 1.
One more rest this time. Hold your plank. Stretch or rest. So, back to number 6. Okay? Side plank. Then you Russian twist. Then you swap over. Plank coach. And then we've got our lunges and overs. 4 exercises. Work as hard as you can. If you stayed that way last time, go this way. Exercise and swing halfway. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe. Alright, remember, easier, hip on the floor. Harder, hip on the floor. Use your weight, get your leg in the air. Same again. Hip on the floor. Hip on the floor. On your hand. With the weight. Exhale. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Russian twist. Come on. Keep with it. I'm getting tired. I'm sure you are. But it doesn't stop. Health is wealth. Come on. Breathe. Head back in line. Head down. Next exercise is behind. Head up. That's it. Ready? Easier. Easier. Exercise 4. You want to touch. You ready? Standing. Like going against the wall. So if you want to do it standing, just stand. Cross. Next exercise, unders and overs. Are you ready? Exercise 3 in 4, 3. Wiggle that way. Under. Sit back with your weight. 1 foot at a time. Harder. Bounce. Harder. Bounce. Harder still. Both legs off the floor. Harder still. Let's go. Come on. Take a 30-second rest in 4, 3. Woo! 2 rounds left. Right, you can not go back. You can rest, or you can stretch. So we're going to start. Side plank. Russian twist. Plank leg over. Unders. Then we've got, remember what we've got at number 2? Knee, elbow. Okay? As hard as you can. Exercise 6. Number 6. 3. Side plank. Really relax. Strong. You want to go hard? Go hard. Breathe. Try to keep your head in line. Side. Same again. Up to you. Try to keep your head in line. I'm looking at the camera. Head should be up. You ready to brush the wrists? You ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Brush the twist. I do not know. Remember, easier. Get ready for your plank. 5 steps. Touch. Ready? Breathe. Exercise 4 in 4, 3. Last position. Thumb down. Leg over. Head in line is 5. Engage your core. We've got unders next. We've got unders next. Last round. Everything you've got. Come on. Everything you've got. Everything. Breathe. Hold it. Open and close. Same again. You choose the level. Russian twist to next. On your hand. Open and close. Ready? Russian twist. Come on. 1, 2. Hold on, weights. Legs still. Legs on the floor. Get ready for touch like next. Ready? You choose. Like next. Ready? Hold it. Touch. 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 Get ready for unders and overs next. Come on, strong. Ready? Wiggle around the weights. Unders. Come on. Hold it. Both legs. Under and over. Wiggle the elbow next. Without the weight, come on. Easier. Hold it. With the weight. Come on, strong. Like next. Ready? Same elbow. Opposite. Same. Opposite. Both down. We've got one more exercise. Got that one? Getting tired. Making mistakes. Stay focused. Get ready for 30 seconds more. We ready? This is it. This is it. Wiggle that weight. One at a time. Both together. Rest. Both together. No rest. With your weights. One at a time. Both together. The rest. And finally, 10 seconds. Come on. Both together. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining in on that. I'm absolutely shattered. I made a couple of mistakes there. Great workout lads and lasses, thank you very much for participating in that. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. That was tough, it really was. Don't forget, any feedback you can leave on the comment webpage, and also I do this class regularly on a Thursday in Comment Bay Leisure Centre, yeah? So continue your 2 weeks in safety, and I hope to see you all very soon. Diolch yn fawr, thank you for coming, stay safe everybody, all the very best. Bye.